Barcelona, a city that feels especially beautiful when you simply slow down and walk. Today, we're taking a relaxed stroll along the sunny boulevard by the sea, with the warmth of the afternoon and the city moving gently around us. The boulevard feels alive, but never rushed. People are out enjoying the beautiful weather. Some are walking with friends, some are taking a quiet stroll, while others simply enjoy the view. There's something relaxing about being close to the water. The fresh breeze, the sunlight, and the rhythm of people passing by. Everything seems to move a little slower here. Along the boulevard, small shops and cafés add to the atmosphere. You can stop for a drink, browse a little, or simply keep walking. The sunshine gives Barcelona a warm, cheerful feeling. People sit outside, friends chat and laugh, and cyclists pass by. Perhaps that's what makes walking through Barcelona so enjoyable. You don't need a plan. You can simply walk, look around, and let the atmosphere carry you along. The beach stays beside you, the boulevard stretches ahead, and the city continues its everyday rhythm. The conversations, footsteps, and gentle movement of the sea. Simple sounds that make the moment feel complete. As the afternoon continues, more people appear along the promenade. Some stop for a while, others keep walking. Everyone seems to be taking their time, and maybe that's the best part of a day in Barcelona. Feeling the sun, enjoying the breeze, watching people pass by, and letting the afternoon unfold naturally. A sunny day, a peaceful sea, a lively boulevard, and the feeling of simply being there, enjoying Barcelona, one step at a time.